This is Tony Merritt at Piano Distributors Yamaha, and was going through the install of the new Yamaha Disklavier Enspire App. First thing you want to do is have your iPad out and click on the settings button and make sure that you're logged into your Wi-Fi. If you're not, you would want to access it there and make sure that the Wi-Fi button is turned to on. Once you've done that, you then want to go to the Apple Store, which is right there on the front screen, usually in a blue box with a letter A inside of it. You click on that, and once you're in there, you go to the top, or excuse me, at the bottom where it says search. Let's tap that, and then at the top where it comes up, you would type in Enspire, E-N-S-P-I-R-E. Now, if you notice, when I did that right, the first thing comes up is Inspire Controller-US. That is the one we want. So we select that, and it pulls up this menu of items. The one that is marked as open is mine, so it's already installed, but if on yours, it would come up with the word get. So G-E-T would be there. You would tap that, and it would install the app in yours. Once it's installed, you would then also see open. So I'm going to click open on this one, and the first thing that comes up is the choice of, in our store we have two that are installed already and waiting for us to log into. I can actually play the sound of each one to hear which one it is. And so I am going to pick this one for now. And when it comes up with the menu of items. The very first thing I want to do right now to get you started is, if in songs, the very first one there, if I select that, and then down below, down on that, you will see songs. Now yours may be a slightly different because we've been using this one for a while and added stuff to it, but you'd want to select My Songs. You should have the thumb drive plugged into the bottom of controller unit on your Inspire when you get it. And it's the one that I made for you. Remember, I mentioned root. The very first choice on this says root, and then underneath that are several different categories of music that I'm giving you to play. But for the one that we talked about earlier, the Somewhere in Time, you select root, and I only put one copy of the song in there. Like I told you, you'll have 4 or 5, and you would play each one, and the ones you don't want, you might want to delete. But now I would select that and play that. And so now my song is playing. And so at this point, you should be good to go. If none of this works or something doesn't make sense to you, just give me a call and we'll go through it over the phone.